Welcome to this Sun City Portfolio and College Fair tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover interview etiquette, tips for success. In this tutorial, we will cover these items. Do your research. Proper dress. Good lighting. Introducing yourself. How to present your work. How to screen share your work. And how to thank your admissions counselor. First, do your research before you have your interview. Why do you want to go to that school? Make a list. This will help you in your research. Do they offer the courses you want to take? You can find this out by Googling the school, Googling the art department, and just do some snooping and see what they do offer. They may not offer what you want, or they may offer exactly what you would like to take. What opportunities are available? From the school? From the department? Do they offer resources that are available to art students, such as scholarships, grants, or maybe awards? So you can find many answers by just doing some research online. Check out the school's art department. You can contact the department head and ask them questions. Most of the time, you will find their contact information in the department's website. And consult admissions counselors and ask them if they offer what you would like to take. Dress for success. Present yourself in a neat and professional manner. In video conferencing, there are a few things to avoid. Avoid all black and white attire, as this will be distractive. Avoid neon colors, as they are very distractive as well. You want the attention to be on you. Basically, you want to present yourself as if you were having a face-to-face interview, say for a job interview. Have good lighting. Place a light in front of you, but behind your computer screen. You don't want it too bright, as that will distract and wash out your face. Set up your light well in advance of your interview. Test your lighting. See if your video looks good with that lighting. Make adjustments so that you're ready to go. Eliminate backlighting. Backlighting is very distractive, and it gives this halo effect where you are darkened and you have a white ring around you. This is distracting, so make sure that you do not have either a light or a window in the background. Have a plain background. You don't want a busy background, as that is distracting as well. You want the attention to be on you. And finally, have a quiet and private space. Again, distractions can interfere with your interview. When you connect with your interviewers, introduce yourself as you would in a face-to-face conversation. Be prepared to talk a little bit about yourself, your background, your experience, and your goals. Your video portfolio interview will be much like a face-to-face interview. Relax and be personable. Presenting your work. Prior to your interview, you want to prepare your images in a professional manner. First of all, use great images. Refer to the How to Photograph Your Artwork tutorial for more details. You want to title your work. This includes your name, a title, and if you don't have a title, write untitled, as this is the standard. Date of artwork, size of artwork, and the medium, in this case, oil on canvas. You want to choose 5 of your best pieces first. Create a document. Now you can create this document in Word or PowerPoint, but you're going to want to change it to a PDF so that your images and your text don't get jumbled around as they sometimes do when you're sharing. So let's take a closer look at how to share your work. How to screen share in Zoom. Prior to your interview, you want to open your PDF on your desktops. This way you will have it ready when the meeting starts. You want to mute your microphone, share your video, and unmute when you need to talk. Let's take a closer look at how to screen share in Zoom. After you have logged into Zoom and it's time to show your work, you want to go to the bottom of the screen and find the button Share Screen. Click on that. This will give you several options of sharing your work. You can share your entire desktop, a whiteboard, iPhone, and iPhone via cable. But you want to share the document that you placed on your desktop. Click on that and then hit Share. Now your document will be seen by your interviewers. You can talk about your work, scroll up and down to see the next image. And finally, when you're ready to stop sharing, go to the top and click Stop Sharing. Finally, you want to thank your interviewers. Thank them for their time, for the advice, for the information that they've given you. This will leave a good impression. So good luck. And remember, you got this.